Hi, today we will go through a way of an investor and understand how the CoinLoan platform works. On the main page you will see a calculator. It allows you to calculate the possible return of investment. Choose a currency, then enter the desired amount of investment and then a long-term period. The calculator will automatically calculate the interest rate, LTV, and will give you your estimated investment income. Then hit the sign up button and start register on the platform. If you already have an account, use the login button. An email with a verification code will automatically send to your email address. Use it to activate your account. Please do not forget to set up two-factor authentication for safety. After the registration, you need to go through KYC verification. It is necessary validation to work with crypto assets. Here, click on My Account and then click on Verification. A link to our step-by-step identity verification guide is under this video. Next, transfer your funds on your wallet on CoinLoan platform. To do this, go to My Wallet tab and then choose a currency. Each currency or stable coin or cryptocurrency has its own wallet. Click Deposit and then choose a payment method. This can be a transfer or payment by payment system. You can see them right now. In order to start investing, go to Lending Market tab and then hit Borrowing Application button. All active applications from borrowers are here. Select the appropriate amount and click Accept and Lend. You can also create your own lending application. Click Lend and select the desired amount of the loan, the valid currencies of crypto, and the interest rate. The lower the interest rate, the faster the borrower will accept your application. As soon as this happens, the transactions is automatically activated and you will receive a monthly profit from the investment. It's convenient and safe. Be sure to try to invest with CoinLoan. And not a ban that the minimum amount of investment is $100 or any equivalent in cryptocurrency, for example Bitcoin or Ethereum. That's all for today. Bye.